Sometimes it can be extremely awkward to sit in an airplane. Whether it's the extremely uncomfortable seats, the lack of legroom, the people moving in and out of the aisles, the people kicking your chair, you name it. Airplane can be quite an uncomfortable place to be. I will create some situations of awkward scenarios on airplanes. Yo, can you keep your arms and legs off of my lap, please? No, you don't know what it's like to be 6'1" and be cramped in such a small cubicle. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. As if sitting in an extremely small cubicle that's not comfortable wasn't bad enough. You have extremely awkward scenarios with people that are trying to move in and out of the aisle, kicking your chair. I can go on and on, but if you've been on an airplane, you know what I mean. Next episode, I will be talking about awkward people on buses.